Yeah, looks like 6 feet deep. Yeah, both incoming.
Whoa. Fast.
Going up.
Dean, target press the 7-4 button. I'll go logo.
Whoa. We're going all the way to 7?
Oh, this is going to be the elevator, another elevator at the UNC Bell Tower parking deck. At the Bell Tower parking deck at UNC North Carolina's campus in Chapel Hill, North Carolina.
7th floor.
Damn, kitty cat, press the
Going
basement
back.
4 button. Yes, meow meow. There's the roof. This is going down. It's just like, this is... Wow.
Basement.
Passy is 30,000 pounds, so in 2010.
Going up.
On 20 press 7-4 button. Holy awesome. Column scribe, information, scribe.